Please confirm if I am audible. Please confirm if I am audible. Hello and welcome to the second class of your ACCA Financial Accounting. Let's start with the what we have studied in class 1. We will revise it and then we will begin our second class. Okay. So what we have studied in class 1, we have studied what we are going to study, that is chapter number 1, that is financial reporting and the financial statement. In this chapter we have studied till now is what is financial reporting. So financial reporting is the recording, analyzing and summarization of the financial transaction. It is to represent financial data in the form of financial performance and financial position, or called as financial statement, which is going to be used by the user of financial information. Then we have studied what is financial accounting. So financial accounting is one of the main method of financial reporting. It is not a primary function of the financial accounting to provide information for the efficient running of the business. It is the primary function of the management accounting and not of the financial accounting. Financial accounting provides historical information, not futuristic or not projections. Okay, they provide historical information. Then we have studied what are the nature, scope, and principles of financial statement. So the first statement that we have studied is statement of financial position, or it is called balance sheet. It shows a financial position of a business on a particular date or a particular period of time. It does not show you the position for a period. It shows the position of a business at a particular point, a particular date. It consists asset, liabilities, and owner's equity or capital. It only shows the amount in a carrying value. It only shows carrying amount of the asset or liabilities or equity. Then we have studied statement of profit and loss or other comprehensive items, where we have studied that statement of profit or loss is called as the financial performance of the business, where all the income and expenses of the business are recorded. Then whatever items which are not covered in the statement of profit or loss are going to be covered in other comprehensive item statement. Then all types of business entities required to prepare a statement of profit or loss. However, only companies are required to present other comprehensive items. Then at last we have studied what is the relationship between the statement of financial position and statement of profit and loss, whereas we have studied that there will be a statement of financial position as at the beginning of the accounting period and as at the end of the accounting period, but the statement of profit or loss will consist all the transactions which took place between the beginning and between the end of the accounting period. So till now we have studied all these things in our class 1 of the financial accounting. As discussed and as promised, we are going to solve certain questions of the first class, then we will proceed with our next class. Okay, so we will solve all the questions which are based on the topics which we have studied yesterday. Okay, so let's start with solving the question. This is your question bank where we will have multiple choice questions like this. These are from the ACCA study hub, PPT, and plan, and at the last page you will have all your answers and suggested answers of the question. So we are going to solve like this only, and I will solve some question. I will give some question to you as homework. Then we will meet on a live session where we will discuss all the doubts that you have regarding the homework or any other topics. Okay, so let's start with the question number 1. A business prepares a statement of financial position at the end of the accounting period. Okay, choose the correct options from the following descriptions of the characteristics of the statement of financial position, whether they are true or false. So what we have to tell, what are the statements which are true and what are the statements which are false. Okay, now let's start reading each statement one by one. The statement of financial position is prepared to reflect the position of a business on a particular date. True or false? True or false? The statement of financial position, that means balance sheet, is prepared to reflect the position of a business on a particular date or not? Yes, this is true, because our statement of financial position or balance sheet shows you the financial position of a particular date. B. The statement of financial position records income and expense of the business? No, it records asset, liabilities, and equity of the business, not income and expenses. So this statement is false. Statement number C. The statement of financial position records the investment of the owner of the business. True or false? True, because it consists capital or equity also. So this statement is true. Then statement number D. The statement of financial position shows the asset of the business and how they are financed. True or false? Yes, true, because the balance sheet or the statement of financial position will consist asset and liabilities and equity. It consists asset and how they are financed, either equity or either liability. So it is true. So what will be my answer? Statement number A is true. Statement number B is false. Statement number C and D are true. So what will be my correct option? My correct option will be not A, not B, because option number C is false. Option number C, A true, B false, C true, D true. So this is correct. Now look at option number D. Option number A true, option number B false, option number C false. No, this is also incorrect. So my correct answer is option number C. Okay, so this is how you have to solve the question. Okay, now come to another question which is related to the previous class. Question number 2. Which of the following statement of sole trader is true? We have not studied sole trader till now, so we are going to solve it after this class. Okay. Question number 3. Identify which of the following statements are advantages and which are disadvantages of being in a partnership. This topic has been completely by us till now. We will solve it in next class because we are going to study it today. Okay. Which two of the following statements might be used to define the terms financial statement? Okay, this is our topic. Which of the two following statements might be used to define the terms financial reporting? Okay, highlight number 2. You have to choose two correct answers, not one. So you have to choose two correct answers. Option number A. Calculating the profit of a project. Does financial reporting is used to calculate the profit of a project? No. this is true. Option number C, summarizing the financial performance and position of a business. Financial performance and position of a business. True. This summarizes the financial position and performance of a business. Option number D. Okay, so voice is not clear, I guess. 1 minute. Can you now confirm whether my voice is clear or not? Now my voice is clear or not? Please confirm. Please confirm if my voice is now audible or not. One minute. Can you now confirm if my voice is clear or not? Can you now confirm if my voice is clear or not and audible? Also confirm whether the streaming is smooth or lagging. Am I audible or not? One minute, let me check. Can you please now confirm? I guess there is some technical issue that I'm unable to solve. Let me stop this stream and reschedule it. Okay, so I'm stopping this